Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to run through how to use the Countertops software for your digital advertising and marketing. So in the past, throughout previous videos, we ran through how the lead capture works on your website, but also social media, directory listings, and the showroom with call to actions and buttons, getting the consumers to go onto the tools and enter their information and unlock the software once their phone number verified. So today we're going to take it a step further. We're going to run through a bit of data, but also how to use the tools across Home Advisor, Google Ads, Google My Business, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Houzz, Yellow Pages, and Pinterest. Let's get started. Firstly, Home Advisor. Now, Home Advisor actually has an API where we get to the consumer first. Now remember, 78% of the time, the client is going to go with the company that gets there first. So how do we get to those consumers first? When you're on the Home Advisor platform, say you're a customer and you're shopping for a kitchen remodel, you're going to fill out all of this information. Then you hit submit, and that information is going to be sent to 4 professionals. So if you're one of those 4 professionals and you're using our software, it's actually going to text that consumer immediately, and it's going to say something along the lines of, "Thank you for your interest in kitchen countertops. Thank you for your interest in kitchen remodeling. Please click here and get inspired by using our kitchen design app. Click here, start your design. Click here to get a quote." So that message goes straight to the consumer, and it means that you get there before the other 3 professionals. You're not only getting there first, but you're also adding value. So aside Home Advisor, where else can we use the software? A lot of our customers are using it for their Google Ads. Don't forget that our software works far better than a generic contact us form. So it's very important that you use them throughout social media, but also your digital marketing efforts such as Google ad campaigns. If you look here on Google My Business, you can post. You can say things such as thinking about your dream kitchen. Here's an app for it. This will get people clicking and diving straight into the visualizer. The same logic applies to Facebook. Here you can also add a Shop Now button. So on your business Facebook page, this will take people straight into the tools. You can also incorporate the tools in your posts, but also Facebook advertising. Again, we're trying to engage consumers where they are. Our system works flawlessly on mobile. That means that if a consumer is at home on a Sunday night, scrolling down Facebook, and they see an ad, they can click on it and go straight into the tools, as you can see here. Same thing with Instagram. You can use the tools for Instagram posts. Here's our bathroom tool. Get inspired by using hashtags. You're going to drive people to the sites. You can also put the links right in the comments. It allows people to find the tools. Now Twitter. You can post on Twitter. You can pin the posts. Here's another great place to post the links to the tools. And what's great with Twitter is people can share also the posts, just like Facebook. Now let's take it a step further with Houzz. This is a great spot where people will shop online, they look for design ideas. You're going to use your design tool to capture leads, but also to develop your brand awareness online. You want to get those consumers excited and engaged. So here in Houzz, there's a project section. If you click on that, you can go straight into the 3D project, and you can go right into the design tool. Here's where you can tag all your products. Now onto Yellow Pages. Here you can actually put a get quote or use app button. This will take the consumer straight into the instant quoting tool, or the bathroom 3D visualizer, or kitchen 3D visualizer. Again, with lots of these review sites, you are competing with 3 or 4 other local companies. So you want to get the links on these sites before they even go to your website. I want to now look at Yelp with you. This is another big review site where you can add call to action buttons that link straight to your kitchen visualizer, bathroom visualizer, or quoting tool. You can also add descriptions like your dream kitchen is one click away. Don't forget that we're just trying to engage consumers, we're trying to drive more leads. Looking at Pinterest, you can see that we can have all sorts of pins: kitchen visualizer, bathroom visualizer pins. Here is yet another great way to engage the consumer, give them ideas, show them the software. We also have the Auto Connect feature, which means that you get connected straight with the consumer. You could link it to your call center number or straight to the person responsible in your company for handling these leads. Thanks for watching. I hope that I ran through everything. If you do, however, need any further support, don't hesitate to send us an email or call us. Thank you.